Good morning, my dear students. I am Professor A.R. Relkeri, Department of Commerce. Today I am dealing with a practical on skills development, study of consumer behavior. Consumer behavior. Meaning of consumer behavior. Consumer behavior refers to all the process related to what, why, how, when, from whom consumers purchase and pay for a product and how they consume and dispose of it in order to meet their needs. According to definition by Philip Kotler, consumer behavior include mental activities, emotional and physical that people use during selection, purchase, use and dispose of products and services that satisfies their needs and desires. Factors influencing consumer behavior. Social factors. Reference group. Small group of people such as colleagues at workplace, friends, etc. Influence values and choice of other members. Expose them to new lifestyles and create pressure to choose certain products, example mobiles. Family. Family members influences buying decision. Parents influences decision of children. However, nowadays children are well informed about products and services through social media and therefore they influence the buying decision of parents. Roles and status. A person performs certain roles in a particular group in the organization. Example, person may perform the role of senior executive in firm and therefore enjoy higher status. People may purchase the products that conform to their status, especially in the case of branded clothes, cars, shoes, etc. Factors influencing consumer behavior. Cultural factors. Religion may influence consumer behavior to a certain extent. Example, consumption of alcohol, tobacco, meat products is restricted in certain religions. Subculture. Each culture consists of subcultures that provide specific identity to its members. Subculture includes nationalities, racial groups, language, etc. Social class. Human societies exhibit social stratifications that may sometimes take the form of caste system where the members share similar values, interests and behavior. Personal factors. Age factor. The age factor influences buying behavior. Example, teenagers may prefer tendency watches, whereas office executive may prefer formal ones. Gender. The consumer behavior varies across a gender. Example, girls may prefer certain feminine colors such as pink. Boys may prefer blue brown. Education. Highly educated persons may spend on books and personal care products than the people with low education. Income level. Normally, higher the income level, higher is the level of spending and vice versa. Status in society. Persons enjoying higher status in society spend good amount on luxury items such as luxury cars, luxury watches, premium brands of clothing, etc. Psychological factors. Learning takes place through informations and experience. Examples, when customer buys a new brand of shampoo and is satisfied with it, he is likely to be brand loyal. Attitude, tendency to respond in a given manner to a particular situations or object or idea. Consumers may develop a positive or negative or natural attitude towards certain products or brands. Motive: the inner drive that motivates a person to act or behave in a certain manner. Marketer must identify the buying motives of the target customers and influence them to respond positively. Perception: it is the impression which one forms about a certain situation or object. Example: a student may perceive sports day as an important event and therefore he by C would make every possible efforts including purchase of new shoes, jersey, etc. Whereas another students may be casual about it and therefore would not make any such extra efforts. Thank you. Thank you, Anna.